In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find rollbacks in Walmart. Rollbacks are Walmart's way of offering temporary price reductions on popular items, and knowing where to find them can help you save money quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to walmart.com. When the homepage loads, you'll see a large search bar across the top. Just below that search bar is a row of quick links and featured shopping shortcuts. This is where Walmart highlights deals and seasonal offers so you don't have to dig around. In that row, look for the option labeled Rollbacks and More and click it. This link takes you straight to Walmart's dedicated savings area where the company gathers items with reduced prices in one convenient place. It's the fastest path to deals without needing to search category by category. On the Rollbacks page, you'll see a grid of products, each with a clear badge or label that says Rollback. These badges help you quickly identify which items are currently discounted. You'll typically see the new lower price displayed prominently, and the original price may be shown nearby so you can gauge the savings at a glance. Keep in mind that selection and pricing can change frequently, and availability may vary by your location or fulfillment method, such as shipping or pickup. If you're browsing, take a moment to scan through the categories and images to find items that match what you need. You can also use the main search bar at the top to look for a specific product while staying within the rollbacks area. As you explore, look for any additional notes about limited time offers or quantity limits, which sometimes appear during high demand periods. When you find a rollback item that interests you, click it to open the product page. This page gives you more detail, including sizes, colors, and package options if they're available. On the right-hand side of the product page, you'll see the current rollback price clearly displayed. Often, you'll also see the original price and the total savings, making it easy to decide whether the deal is right for you. If the item has multiple variants, double-check that the one you select still shows the rollback label, because discounts can apply to only certain options. That's it. By starting on the Walmart homepage, selecting rollbacks and more under the search bar, browsing the items with the rollback tag, and opening a product to view the price details on the right, you can quickly find and confirm real savings. Happy deal hunting and enjoy saving money with Walmart rollbacks.